Welcome to Quizure Hunt, where every animal guest brings you one step closer to becoming a farm genius. Let's play the ultimate farm animal quiz. Are you ready? 1. Who gives us milk and loves to munch on grass? That's right, the cow. You're moving ahead brilliantly. 2. This strong animal helps plow the fields. Who is it? Yes, the ox. You've got the strength of knowledge. 3. Which animal is the king of the barnyard with big horns? Correct, the bull. You're charging forward with confidence. 4. Can you name this black and powerful animal that gives milk? It's the buffalo. You're unstoppable like a wild river. 5. Which animal carries loads in the mountains and survives the cold? Amazing. It's the yak. You're climbing to the top. 6. Which noble animal gallops across the fields with pride? That's the horse. You are racing ahead with speed and grace. 7. Who says hee-haw and helps carry loads? Exactly, the donkey. You're steady and smart. 8. This hybrid animal is part donkey, part horse. What is it? Correct, it's a mule. You're blending brain and brawn. 9. Which tall animal lives in deserts and stores water in its hump? Yes, the camel. You are surviving every challenge. 10. Which fluffy farm animal from South America looks like a cloud? It's the llama. You were cool, calm, and clever. 11. Which playful animal gives us milk and loves to climb? That's the goat! You're leaping into learning. 12. Which woolly animal says baa and loves grassy hills? Yes, the sheep. You're soft-hearted and smart. 13. Oink oink. Who loves mud and gives us bacon? It's the pig. You re-rolling in success. 14. Which male sheep protects the herd? Right, it's the ram. You re-brave and bold. 15. This animal has soft wool and long neck. What is it? It's the alpaca. You are stylish and smart. 16. Which animal is wild but farmed for meat in some places? Correct, it's the deer. You're sharp and swift. 17. Which reindeer helps Santa and lives in cold areas? Absolutely, the reindeer. You were magical. 18. Which small cow-like animal is found in India? That's the zebu. You're truly unique. 19. What do we call a tiny version of a horse? A miniature horse. You were thinking small but dreaming big. 20. Which cute horse is often loved by children? That's the pony. You are trotting toward greatness. 21. Who lays eggs and goes cluck cluck? Yes, the chicken. You're excellent. 22. Who wakes up the farm with a cock-a-doodle-doo? It's the rooster. You're loud and proud. 23. Which female bird lays eggs? Correct, the hen. You are nurturing and wise. 24. Who quacks and swims in ponds? It's the duck. You were smooth and quick. 25. Who honks loudly and walks in a line? That's the goose. You were leading the way. 26. Who's big, bold, and served at Thanksgiving? Yeah. That's the turkey. You were truly festive. 27. Which spotted bird keeps the bugs away? It's the guinea fowl. You were a protector of the farm. 28. Tiny and fast, this bird lays tiny eggs. Who is it? Correct, the quail. You were small but mighty. 29. Which bird flies home no matter where you leave it? Yes, the pigeon. You're always finding your way. 30. Which bird is huge and can't fly but runs really fast? That's the ostrich. You're going places fast. 31. Which soft animal hops and loves carrots? It's the rabbit. You're bouncing towards success. 32. A small furry friend from South America. Can you name it? That's the guinea pig. You're full of charm. 33. Which slinky animal helps keep rats away on farms? It's the ferret. You're sneaky and smart. 34. Which animal purrs and keeps the mice away? Yeah. Yes, the cat. You were curious and clever. 35. Who guards the livestock and wags its tail? The dog, of course. You were loyal and fearless. 36. Which water animal is raised in tanks and ponds? It's the fish. You're swimming with knowledge. 37. Which tiny sea creature is farmed and loved in dishes? Yes? The shrimp. You're making a splash. 38. Which creature croaks and jumps high, also farmed for food? It's the frog. Leap into greatness. 39. Which slow-moving farm creature is also a delicacy? That's the snail. You're steady and successful. 40. Which buzzing creature gives us sweet honey? It's the bee. You're sweet and hardworking. 41. Who looks like an ostrich but lives in Australia? It's the emu. You're unique and awesome. 42. Which royal bird shows off with colorful feathers? Yes, the peacock. You were shining bright. 43. This fluffy chicken looks like it's wearing a fur coat. It's the silky chicken. You've got style. 44. A special goat known for delicious meat. Can you name it? That's the boar goat, strong and tasty. 45. This pig is small, cute, and loves belly rubs. Yes, the coon pig. Yuri adorable and clever. 46. Which shaggy cow lives in cold highlands? It's the Highland cattle. Bold and beautiful. 47. This sheep breed can grow 4 horns. Guess it. Correct. The Jacob sheep. You're one of a kind. 48. Which sheep is known for quality meat and black face? That's the Suffolk sheep. You were quality focused. 49. This dairy cow is small, brown, and sweet-natured. Yes, the Jersey cow. You're full of goodness. 50. Which red and white cow comes from Scotland? It's the Ayrshire cow. You're ending on a high note. You'll be a real farm quiz champion. Keep exploring, keep learning, because on Quizure Hunt, every answer grows your mind. See you next time.